So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can publish in Webtoon. So guys, if you want to publish, just go ahead and open webtoons.com, and once you're there, just go ahead and tap on Canvas, and once you're in this page, you find this login option, and right next to it you'll see the option that says publish. So just go ahead and tap there, and now you can just sign up with an email or with Google or with Apple, Facebook. You can also use Line, and you can also continue with X. So I'm going to use Google. Just tap on continue, and you have been shown this page now. So guys, just choose the genre of your comic. So let's say you're writing a superhero comic, and you can also choose a subgenre or a genre too. I'm going to choose for this one fantasy. Now just go ahead and type in the series title. Going to choose Raven's Eye. Now you also need to write a summary about the plot of the comic in less than 500 characters. So please think this through and write the summary, because before the readers read your comic, this is the first thing they will see first. Just go ahead and select an image to upload. This will be your square thumbnail. So it's better if you choose an attractive thumbnail, because this will attract more readers to your comics. So you can choose an original one, or if you've painted it yourself. And there's also a vertical thumbnail, so you should also choose the vertical thumbnail. It says right here that the image size must be 1080 to 1920. Images must be less than 700 KB. Only JPG and JPG and PNG formats are allowed. So just write your email too. Webtoon will probably contact you through your email, so always update your email. Now you can also self-assess your content. So it says the violent and graphic content, so you need to select if there's violent or gore in it. I'm going to choose violent themes with moderate blood or gore. So if there's any nudity, it's better if you warn your audience about that. So let's say this. And about the sexual content, I'm going to be choosing mild ones. There's also profanity. I'm going to choose no profanity. If there's alcohol, drugs, or tobacco abuse, you should also warn your audience about that. If there's some serious use, you should choose this one that says depiction of moderate to excessive consumption of alcohol, tobacco, or drugs. So if there are any sensitive themes and topics, you should also warn your audience about that, because if they have personally suffered through any abuse or bullying, it may trigger them. So please be sensitive and choose a topic. So you just need to acknowledge all of them. It says, I acknowledge that the assigned content of my rating is young adult, and I agree to Webtoon's community policy and privacy. So once you've done all these things, just go ahead and tap on create series, and in that way you would successfully be able to publish in Webtoon. So guys, there you go. That's how you publish in Webtoon. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.